5 more GCSE 9 to 1 Maths past paper exam questions on forming and solving equations, which you can download in the description down below. Hey there guys, welcome back to the channel. If this is your first time here and you're trying to get the best grade in maths you possibly can, let me help. Start now by subscribing. Okay then, so these questions are all quite big. They're all 4, 5 or 6 marks. The first 4 questions are suitable for foundation and higher. The 5th question is higher only. Let's go. Okay then, first up, the size of the largest angle in a triangle is 4 times the size of the smallest angle. The other angle is 27 degrees less than the largest angle. Work out in degrees the size of each angle in the triangle. You must show your working and it's 5 marks. Okay, so first of all we need to work out how to write down the size of each angle. Now given that we're told the largest is 4 times the smallest, I'm going to call the smallest x. So I'm going to say that S for smallest is x. Now, from that, if the largest is 4 times that, then the largest is 4x. Now we know the other angle is 27 degrees less than the largest, so I'm going to call that M for middle or medium. Now, if that's 27 degrees less, that's 4x minus 27. Okay, so now we have to find each of the angles. Let's think about what we know about them. So, because they are angles in a triangle, they add together to 180 degrees. So, if we add all of these together, we have 9x minus 27 must be equal to 180. So now that is our equation. We can now solve it to find x. So add 27, 9x is 207 degrees. Divide by 9, and we get x is 207 divided by 9, 23 degrees. So now that we know what x is, we can now find the size of each angle. So we know the smallest is 23 degrees. The largest is 4 times 23 degrees, which is 92 degrees. And then we know the middle angle is 92 minus 27, which is 65 degrees. Okay, number 2. Kira is 7 years older than Jay. Martha is twice as old as Kira. The sum of their three ages is 77, so that means adding all three ages together. We want to find the ratio of Jay's age to Kira's age to Martha's age. Okay, so very similar to last time. First of all, we need to work out how to or what to call each of their ages. So Martha is 7 years older than Jay. So if we said that Jay is X years old, then because Kira is 7 years older, we can say that Kira is X add 7 years old. Then we know that Martha is twice as old as Kira. So Martha is going to be 2 times Kira's age. So 2 times X add 7. So that's 2x add 14. Okay, now we're told numerically the sum of their ages is 77. If we add them together algebraically, that is where our equation is going to come from. So, adding these three together, we get 4x add 21. Now that is equal to 77. So we can now solve this for x. So subtract 21, we get 4x is 56. And then divide by 4. We get 14. So, now that we know that, we can work out their actual ages. So, J is 14. And we'll put it in the ratio while we're at it. So, J is 14. Kira, 7 years older, is 21. Which means Martha is 42. Now they haven't asked for that to be simplified, but there is a common factor of 7, so we could write this as 2 to 3 to 6. Okay, number 3. So we have a rectangle with a width of y. Now, two different expressions for the height, 2x add 6 and 5x minus 9. All measurements are in centimetres. The area of the rectangle is 48 centimetres squared. So that y is equal to 3. Okay, so area of a rectangle is base times height. Now, what do we know about rectangles? Well, we know they have two pairs of equal sides. So, that means these two expressions for the height in terms of x are equal. They are the same. So, from that, we know 2x add 6 is equal to 5x minus 9. So, what we can do from that is find the value of x and then find the height of the rectangle. So, a bit tricky because there's an x on both sides. First thing I would do is sort out that 2x. To do that, we're going to subtract 2x from both sides. So that's going to give us 6 is equal to 3x minus 9. Next, add the 9. So we get 15 is equal to 3x. Divide by 3, we get 5 is equal to x, or x is equal to 5. What that now allows us to do is work out the height of this rectangle. So, we can either substitute it into this, or this. I'm going to go with 2x add 6. So that means we have 2 times 5 add 6, which is 16. So, now we know the height of the rectangle. We can now work out the area in terms of y. So, the area in terms of y is 16 times y. We know the area as a number is 48. So, we then know that 16y is equal to 48. We want to get y on its own, so divide by 16, we get y is indeed equal to 3. Okay, number 4, quite a tricky one again. So we're given a rectangle, we are told the length is 7 centimeters longer than the width. 4 of these rectangles are used to make this 8-sided shape. If the perimeter of this 8-sided shape is 70 centimeters, we want to work out the area. Okay, so given that we're told the perimeter as a number, we're going to be able to use that to find the lengths of the rectangle, which we can then use to find the area. So the first thing to do is to name the lengths of the rectangle. So let's call the width x, and then the length is x add 7. Okay, now we're going to go around the 8-sided shape and label each side. So on top we have a width x and a length x add 7. Altogether that's 2x add 7. Okay, then we have the width x. Now the length underneath is the length of the rectangle minus the width. So that's x add 7 minus x. So that's just 7. Then we have an x add 7. Then a 2x add 7. Then an x. Then a 7. And then an x add 7. Okay, so what we can do from this is now work out the perimeter algebraically by adding all of these together. So we are going to get 8x, and then we have 6 sevens, so that's 42. Now that's the perimeter algebraically. We know the perimeter is 70, So we can say 8x add 42 is equal to 70. From this, we can now find the value of x. So subtract 42, we get 8x is equal to 28. Divide by 8, we get x is equal to 3.5. Now we can find the area of a rectangle. So we now know its width is 3.5. Now its length is 3.5 and 7, 10.5. So its area is 3.5 times 10.5, which is going to give us 36.75 centimeters squared. So that's the area of one rectangle. The shape is made from 4 rectangles. So the total area is 4 times that. Which gives us 147 centimeters squared. Okay, number 5, we have a nice 6 marker and it's higher only. So, we're given an L shape. All dimensions are in centimeters. The area of the L shape is 65 centimeters squared. Work out the value of x. Okay, so given that we're told the area, we're going to need to find the area algebraically. So, we are going to split this L shape into a big rectangle on the bottom and then the smaller one on top. So, the big guy has a length of 10 and a height of 3x add 1. So, the area of this bit is 10 times 3x add 1, which is 30x add 10. Okay, what about this bit up here? Well, we have a width of x. Now the height of the whole thing is 9. But we know up to the blue line is 3x add 1. So the height that's left is going to be 9 minus 3x add 1. Now that is 9 minus 3x minus 1, which is 8 minus 3x. Okay, so the area of this big up here then is x times 8 minus 3x. Which is 8x minus 3x squared. Okay, so now that we know the two separate areas, we can write down the total area. So, the total area is 8x minus 3x squared add 30x add 10 Okay, now this we can write as minus 3x squared add 38x add 10. Okay, so this is an algebraic expression for the total area. Remember, we also know the total area is 65 centimeters squared. So this stuff is actually equal to 65. Okay, so our job is now to solve this. Now, because there is an x squared, it's quadratic, which means we want everything on the same side with a 0 on the other. So, we really don't like a negative 3x squared, so we're going to move everything from the left to the right. So, we're going to end up then with a 0 on the left. So we're going to add 3x squared, subtract 38x, and subtract 10, so we get 55. Now, even though we got this equals 0 on the left, that really annoys me, so we can just put it on the right. Okay, so now we want to solve this. Good times. So, because we have a 3x squared, one of our brackets is going to need a 3x. Now the other was going to have a single x. Now, because we have a positive 55 at the end, which comes from multiplying the two numbers in the brackets, but a negative 38, that tells us both numbers are negative. Okay, so the two numbers need to multiply together to 55, and we need to get down to minus 38. So whatever's going to multiply the 3x is probably going to need to be the bigger number. Not many things multiply to give us 55. We have 11 and 5. If we stick 11 there, then we get minus 11 times 3x is minus 33x, and then the 5 there is going to take us down to minus 38x. Cool. Okay. So, this now gives us two possibilities. When you solve quadratics like this, you now set whatever is inside each bracket equal to 0 and solve 4x. So, for this guy on the left, we get 3x minus 5 is equal to 0. Add 5, divide by 3, we get x is 5/3, or on the right, x minus 11 is equal to 0. Add 11, x is equal to 11. Now, what we need to do here is check whether these both make sense. So the one that worries me the most is x equals 11. Back to the drawing. Now remember, this length up here is x. The length of the whole thing is only 10. So x cannot be 11. So here we should say that x cannot be 11. So x is 5/3 only. Okay, that's all the fun for this video. If you found it useful, don't forget to give us a thumbs up, get subscribed to the channel, share with a friend, they may need help too. There's more questions on this topic in the playlist linked below. If you have any requests for topics you want done like this, let me know down below. For now, take it easy, take care.